Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to link feature image or product image and product title to product page in custom product grid in Elementor WordPress. So we create custom product grid using Elementor theme builder tool. So we are going to link product image and product title to product page. Now you see product image and product title not clickable. So we are using loop grid widget. Now you see, and we created custom grid layout. Now go to template we created. So this is our template we created, and you will find video link in video description how to create custom product grid layout using Elementor builder tool in WordPress. So you can find that video link in video description. Now you see feature image. Now select, and then you see link. Now drop down, again select. Now you see custom URL, again select, and then you see dynamic tag, so click on it. Now you see post URL, so click on it. So after this, product image link to product page. Now go to product title, so click on it. Now you see link, and then you see dynamic tag, so click on it. Again you see post URL, now select and then click on publish. So after that, product image, feature image or product title link to product page. Now publish done, go to website page and refresh the page, and then you see link is clickable, so click on it. So it's open product page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.